History of cloud computing. Cloud computing represents the delivery of various services over the Internet, including storage, databases, servers, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence. Its history is shaped by the evolution of Internet-based technologies, and here's a brief overview in an informative tone. 1.1960s, Conceptual Origins. The idea of cloud computing can be traced back to the 1960s when computer scientist John McCarthy suggested that computation may someday be organized as a public utility. This was an early indication of the shared resources model that characterizes modern cloud computing. 2. 1970s, Virtualization and Grid Computing. The 1970s saw the development of virtualization technology, led by IBM, allowing multiple virtual systems to run on a single physical system. This formed a foundation for cloud computing. 3. 1990s, Commercialization and Early Adoption. In the 1990s, telecom companies started offering virtualized private network, VPN, services. At the same time, companies like Salesforce began delivering applications through a website, pioneering the software as a service, SaaS, model. 4. 2000s, major cloud services emerge. In 2002, Amazon Web Services, AWS, launched a suite of cloud-based services, including storage and computation. Google and Microsoft followed suit with their cloud platforms, leading to widespread commercial availability of infrastructure as a service, IaaS, and platform as a service, PaaS. 5. 2010s, cloud adoption accelerates. As technology matured, businesses began shifting from on-premises solutions to cloud platforms. This decade saw the rise of hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, allowing organizations to leverage various cloud services according to their specific needs. 6. 2020s, edge computing and AI integration. In recent years, cloud computing has expanded to integrate artificial intelligence, AI, and edge computing, enabling faster data processing and real-time analytics. Cloud providers are continuously innovating to offer more specialized and efficient services. Key benefits. Cloud computing's rise can be attributed to the multiple benefits it provides. Cost efficiency. Businesses can rent computing resources as needed instead of owning and maintaining physical data centers. Scalability. Cloud platforms allow companies to easily scale resources up or down according to demand. Flexibility. The cloud offers various service models, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, that cater to different business needs. Collaboration and accessibility. Cloud services enable remote collaboration, allowing access to data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection. Challenges and concerns. Despite its many advantages, cloud computing also raises concerns and challenges, such as security and compliance. Managing data security and complying with regulations in a shared environment can be complex. Downtime and reliability. Dependence on internet connectivity and service providers can lead to potential downtime and reliability issues. Conclusion. Cloud computing has evolved from a futuristic concept to an essential business tool over the past 6 decades. Its ongoing development reflects broader trends in technology and business, driving innovations like AI and edge computing while raising important considerations around security and reliability. The trajectory of cloud computing continues to shape the way businesses operate and grow, providing a flexible and efficient alternative to traditional computing methods.